Okay, thank you for tuning in. Excuse the noise harassment campaign is still continuing, full throttle. So there is a Dylan Thomas poem called "There Was a Savior," and a facet of this is coming to pass right now, so it should be shared. And of course, this is about Christ, but this is also about the events that are happening right now. And this is a very important poem for people to be studying because it talks about the past, present, and future of the things happening. There was glory to hear in the churches of his tears because God is looking for people who are mourning over the abominations going on today. And the poem addresses these things. The poem addresses the apathy or the ignorance or the naivety of people not mourning over the abominations going on in these days. And that the poem reveals that in the future that's going to lead to a great shame. So I will copy and paste this, take the time, put it in the description box. I highly suggest people reading it and studying it if they want to know how the events that we're living through today are going to reflect on us in the future. So, okay, thank you for tuning in. Allah bless you.